Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to discuss with you a very interesting topics: how to store your credential into the browser's cache and reuse it. Uh, when you store your credential into the browser cache, there is no required authentication after later. It will automatically redirect to the home page if the cookies exist. Otherwise, you have to log in, provide your credential to log in. Now, here we will go to store the credential into the browsers and try to sign out. It will automatically redirect. Yes, here is the shortcut key of the application, and try to log in using it, and it automatically logged in. Try to sign out, but it automatically redirect again. Try again. No need to provide authentication credential. Yes, here is the storage cookies. Here is another experiment. After deleting the cookies, it will redirect to the login page. So start to the technical session. Go to the authentication schemes and open the select the custom login. I have already shown in my previous video about authentic custom login. If you missed that video, please watch it first. Now in this page, first change the label of the checkbox item, keep me signed in, and then change the login process. Here invoke API to the execute code and write the custom PLSQL code here for storing the cookies. If checkbox checked, then we will store the cookie into the browser, otherwise not. Here is the built-in package of Oracle OWA underscore cookie dot send. This procedure is responsible to store the credential into the browser cookies. This procedure needs two mandatory parameters. One is name and the another one is for values, whose values is used later to authenticate the users. In the values section, there are two values concatenated with colon. First one is the username and second one is for password. After storing the cookies, we will redirect to the home page after authentication. Here is the authentication process. Provide user name and password here. Now after successfully login, this is for relogin. When try to relogin, first check the cookies exist or not. If cookies exist, then we will use the cookies values to authenticate the users. If match, then it automatically redirect to the home page. Otherwise, login credential required. Some variable needed for first one is for capture the cookies, second one is for LAD is for the cookies values, and this body capture the cookies from the browsers, and here the capture values from the cookies. After getting the cookies value, we are compared these values from the database. If matched, then automatically redirect to the home page. Otherwise, stay here and provide user ID and password to login. And then at last change the page level properties, reload on submit to always. If you miss these things, this process will not work. So keep in mind that you need to change must the page level properties, reload on submit always. Here is the checking again. Try to log in, checked, keep me signed in, and it will successfully log in. Try to log out, and it automatically redirect to the home page. Try to log in using the shortcut, and there is no required authentication. It automatically redirect to the home page. That's it. If found helpful, please like, comment, shares, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.